This is the 2022 V690 Road Line campervan from Chausson. This costs 64,000 euros. It's 636 centimeters in length, and for that type of money you'd be expecting something a bit out of the ordinary, such as this nice Skylight up there. Comes with a standard table in either 1/3 layout, 2/3 layout, or you can get the full layout if you stick the button down there as well. It comes with 2 burners, a sink, moulded sink, and a fridge, which is a 2-way fridge. It works from the battery, not from the gas. And down here we have a wardrobe as well. In to straight up here we have the bed with a couple of steps up, and unfortunately I'd like to have shown you this, but I've noticed this in a couple of models. This thing here is broken, but this is the thing which moves the bed up and down. You put a key in there and you press the button and the bed goes up. Unfortunately I can't demonstrate it because there's no key. There's your shower. And so we'll walk around the back now to show a bit more off. Now the thing about something like this is, of course, that it can carry a lot of stuff at the same time as offering a proper experience of sleeping in a bed, washing yourself and having something to eat. Here on the left is the gas cupboard where you keep the gas cylinders. 2 gas cylinders go in there, and you might need 2 if you're thinking of staying in this in the winter. Now this thing here will move up by pressing this here. Maximum load 250 kilos, not when it's moving for you. Move this thing up when it's loaded, then the battery, not the battery, the motor will go kaput. Coming around here, there's your sewage cassette, removal, boiler, electric water supply, diesel, and that is the Chausson Premium V690 campervan in under 3 minutes.